Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karajki Orchid School. Students, in the last session we have started our exercise 2.1 and in that we have completed the first question. Okay, now today we are going to see the question number B. Now the question number B is also add. Here also we have to do the addition, but the thing is here they are given the numbers in horizontal way. Okay, so first this number we have to arrange in a vertical way. Okay, and then we have to solve, we have to do the addition. So see the B question. Now look at the board. Here the first number is 3805 plus 2073. The first is 3805 plus 2073. Now this addition that given us in a horizontal way. First what we will do, we will put these numbers in a vertical manner. Okay, so I'll write here, see here 1 2 3 4 digit number it is, and this is also 4-digit number. So first what we will do here thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, then we will leave one line for carry. Now the first number, see this first number here, how many ones are there? This is ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands. This is also ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now see the first number. In this number how many ones are there? Yes, here 5 ones are there. So at ones place we will write 5. Now see tens place, how many tens are there? Yes, here 0 tens are there. So we will put 0 at tens place. Now see the hundreds place. At 100 place 8 is there, so at hundreds place 8 we will write, and thousands place we will write 3. Okay, then we should give the plus sign because we have to do the addition. Now see the second number. The number is 2073. At ones place 3 is there. Tens place 7 is there. At 100 place 0 is there, so we will put here 0. And at thousands place 2 is there, so we will write here 2. Now we will do the addition. Now see the ones place number. At ones place here 5 ones plus 3 ones are there. So do the addition, 5 plus 3. This 5 keep in your mind. The other number is 3 ones are there. So 3 take on your finger. In your mind which number is there? Yes, in your mind 5 are there. So after 5 count your 3 fingers, 6, 7, 8. So how many ones are there? Total 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, then we will see the hundreds place number. Now see the hundreds place, tens place. At tens place which numbers are there? 0 and 7. 0 tens plus 7 tens. So 0 plus 7, 7. Now see the hundreds place. At 100 place here 8 is there, here 0 is there. So 8 plus 0, 8. And at thousands place 3000 plus 2000. 3 plus 2, very easy, 3 plus 2, 5. So what is the answer? The answer is 5878. This is our answer. Now students see the third example. The third one is, the numbers are 2301 plus 1032 plus 1203. Now first these numbers we will arrange in a vertical way. Okay, see here, this is 4-digit number, this is also 4-digit number, and this is also 4-digit number. So first what we will do, we will write first places. This is a place value chart. Okay, now we will put these numbers in place value chart. Now see, the first number is 2301. Now at ones place, here 1 is there, so we will put 1 here. Then at tens place 0 is there, so we will write here 0. 100 place 3 is there, so we will put 3, and at thousands place 2 is there, so we will write 2. Then the other number is 1032. In the same way we will put this number in the place value chart. 2 ones are there. How many tens are there? There are 3 tens. Then see the hundreds place. Here 0 is there, so at 100 place we will put 0. And see the thousands place, which number is there? Yes, here 1000 is there, so we will write 1. Then see the third one. Third number is 1203. At ones place there is 3. At tens place 0 is there, so we will put 0. Now see the hundreds place. At 100 place, here 2 number is there, so we will write here 2, and at 1000 place 1 is there, so we will write 1 at 1000 place. Now student, what we have to do here? We have to do addition. So here we should give plus sign. Okay, then all together we will put this ones place digit. 1 1 plus 2 ones plus 3 ones. Now 1 plus 2, it is very easy. 1 plus 2, 3. Now 3 plus 3, yes, 3 plus 3, after 3 count again 3 fingers, 4, 5, 6. So how many ones are there total? There are 6 ones. Now see this tens place numbers. At tens place, here 0 is there, here 3 is there, and here again 0 is there. So 0 plus 3, 3, and again 3 plus 0, 0. Sorry, 3. So 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 0, 3. Then see the hundreds place. Now at 100 place, here 3 is there, here 0 is there, and here 2 is there. So 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 2, yes, after 3 count 2 fingers, 3 plus 2, 5. Now do this addition. This is very easy. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So what is the answer? The answer is 4536. Okay. Now see the next one. The fourth example we will take now. The fourth example is, the numbers are 1343 plus 212 plus 3213. Now arrange these numbers in a vertical way. First what we will do, we will draw one place value chart. Okay, that is thousands, hundred, tens and ones place. Now see the first number. Here at first number at ones place 3 is there, so we will put 3. Now see the tens place number. Here 4 is there, so we will write here 4. Here 3 is there, so write here 3. Here 1 is there. Now see the another number, second number. Here the number is 3-digit number. At thousands place there is no any number, so this is a 3-digit number. Start from ones place. Here 2 is there, so we will put 2 here. Then here 1 is there. At 100 2 is there. Now at thousands place nothing is there, so here we can write 0, or else we can do this box empty also. Okay. Now see the third number. The third number is 3213. Same way we will write this number in the place value chart. 3, 1, here 2 is there, and here 3 is there. Now we have to do the addition, so we will put here plus sign. Now do the addition. See the ones place numbers first. Here 3 ones plus 2 ones plus 3 ones. So do the addition. 3 plus 2, yes, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Now see the tens place. 4 tens plus 1 1, 1 tens plus 1 tens. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. Then see the hundreds place. 300 plus 2 hundreds plus 2 hundreds. 3 plus 2 5. This 5 keep in your mind, and after 5 count 2 more fingers. 5 plus 2 7. Now 1 plus here nothing is there, means here we can consider 0. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 3 4. So what will be the answer? The answer is 4768. Okay, then we will take another example. Next example, fifth example we will see. The numbers are 2002 plus 303 plus 1001 plus 303. Now see here. Here 4 numbers are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So first we will put these numbers in a place value chart. First number is 2002. The another is 303. This is 3-digit number. So start from 1's place 3, at 10's place 0 is there, and here at 100 place 3 is there. Then see the third number. The third number is 1001. 1001. And the last number is 303. Now we will do the addition. Give plus sign here. Now see the addition. 2 plus 3. Yes, after 2 count 3 fingers. 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 3 9. Now see at 10's place. Here at 10's place everywhere 0 is there. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 0. Now see the hundreds place numbers. At 100 place here 3 is there, and here also 3 is there. So 0 plus 3 3. 3 plus 0 3. Again 3 plus 3 6. And the thousands place here 2000 plus 0. 2 plus 0 2. 2 plus 1 3. So 3000. So what will be the answer? The answer is 3609. Okay. Then see the next example. The next example, sixth one we will take. Till that time you draw the place value chart in your notebook and put the numbers one below the other. Now sixth one, the numbers are 111 plus 32 plus 2222, and the last number is 4321. Now what we will do? Yes, first we will put these numbers in place value chart. Thousands place, hundreds place, tens and ones, because this is 3-digit number. See, this is 32. This is 2-digit number. But if we will say this number 2222, this is a 4-digit number, and here also 4-digit number is there. So we need to draw place value chart at thousands place till thousands place. Okay. Now see the first number is 111. At ones place 1 is there, at tens place also 1 is there, and at 100 place also 1 is there. Then see this number, second number. This is a 2-digit number and the number is 32. Now see the third number. The number is 2222. Put this number in the place value chart. 2022. 2222 and the last number is 4321. Now say at ones place here 1 is there, tens place 3, hundreds place, sorry, tens place 2 is there, hundreds place 3 is there, and thousands place 4 is there. Now we will do the addition of all these numbers. Now see the ones place numbers. At ones place here 1 is there, here 2 and here 1 is there. So 1 plus 2, yes, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 4, 5. After 3 count 2 more finger, 3 plus 2, 5, and 5 plus 1, yes, 6. Now see the tens place number. At tens place 1, 3, 2 and 2. These 4 digits are there. Okay, so add these 4 digits. 1 plus 3, yes, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 5, 6. 6. Again in the 6 we have to add 2 more. Okay, 6 plus 2, 7, 8. Now see the 100 place. At hundreds place here 1 is there, here nothing is there, means here 0 is there. So 1 plus 0, 1. Then 1 plus 2, yes, 1 plus 2, 3. Then 3 plus 3, 6. Now see the thousands place. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4, 6. So what will be the answer? The answer is 6686. This is the addition. This is the answer. Now students, see the 7th number. The numbers are 8321 plus 432 plus 25 plus 1. First, draw the place value chart. 8321, it is a 4-digit number. So thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Now see the first number 8321. At ones place here 1 is there. Now see the tens place, here 2 is there. Then at 100 place 3 is there, and at thousands place 8 is there. Then put this number in the place value chart. 432. Ones place 2, tens place 3 is there, and hundreds place 4 is there. Now the third number is only 2-digit number. Okay, so how many ones are there? There are 5 ones and 2 tens are there. Now see the last number is only 1-digit number and the number is 1. So at ones place only we will put 1. Now do the addition. We'll put here plus sign because we are going to do the addition. So this is very important. Signs are very important in the maths. So 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. Count all the fingers. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 5. Now 3. After 3 count 5 fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5. Yes. 3 plus 5. 8. See 2 plus 3, sorry, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Then see the tens place. Now at tens place 2 is there, plus 3 tens plus 2 tens. 2 plus 3, yes, after 2 count 3 more finger, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus, again we have to add 2 fingers. 5 plus 2, 7. Now see the hundreds place. At 100 place here 3 is there and here 4 is there. So 3 plus 4, yes, count the fingers and tell me the answer. 3 plus 4, 7. Now see the thousands place. Here only 8 is there. Here 0, 0, 0 means nothing is there, means we should consider 0. So 8 plus 0, 8. So what will be the answer? The answer is 8779. This is our answer. Okay. Then the last example is example number 8. We will take that also. The numbers are 3 plus 32 plus 421 plus 5203. Okay. Now put all these numbers in the place value chart. This is 1 digit number, this is 2 digit number, this is 3 digit number, and this is 4 digit number. Okay. So thousands, hundred, tens and ones. Now see the first number 3. It is only 1 digit number. So 3 ones. So at ones place we will put 3 only. Okay. Now see the another numbers. Next number, that is 32. It is a 2 digit number. So how many ones are there? Here 2 ones are there. So we will write here 2. How many tens are there? At tens place 3 is there. So we will put here 3. Now see the third number. The number is 421. Now in this number at ones place 1 is there. So we will put here 1. Now see the tens place. At tens place 2 is there. So we will put here 2. And see the 100 place. At hundreds place here 4 is there. So we will put here 4. Now see the last number. It is a 4 digit number. At ones place which number is there? Yes, there is 3. See the tens place. At tens place here 0 is there. So we will put here 0. Now see the hundreds place. At hundreds place 2 is there. So we will write 2 at hundreds place, and at thousands place 5 is there. So we will put 5 here, and we will give the plus sign first, and then we will add all the numbers. Now see the ones place column. Here 3 ones plus 2 ones plus 1 ones plus 3 ones. We have to add these 4 digits. 3 plus 2, yes, 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. Now 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3. After 6 you have to count 3 more fingers. 7, 8, 9. So how many ones are there? There are 9 ones. Now see the tens place number. Now at tens place 3 tens plus 2 tens. 3 plus 2, very simple, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. Now see the hundreds place digit. At hundreds place here 4 is there and here 2 is there. So 4 plus 2, 6. And at thousands place only one number is there, 5. So we will write 5 as it is, because here 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5. Okay. So what will be the answer? The answer is 5659. This is our answer. So in this way we have completed our question number B. Now students, we will see the next question. And the question is story sums. We have to solve the story sums. There are 2 story sums in your textbook. Read the first story sum. The sum is in a school library. In a school library, there are 4,425 storybooks. And 3,314 subject books are there. Read the question carefully. How many books are there? How many books are there in the library? Now, once again we will read the question. The question is, in a school library there are 4,425 story books are there. Okay, how many story books are there? There are 4,425 story books, and there are 3,314 subject books are there. And what is our question? The question is, how many books are there in the library? See, how many total. If these words come, then that time you have to do the addition. Okay, so first what we will write? First we will write the given. Given means whatever data we got, that given whatever data that we will write first. Now given how many story books are there? There are 4,425 story books. These are the story books. Then how many subject books are there? There are 3,314 subject books are there. Now we will add these two numbers. Now see, these are the 4-digit numbers. So first what we will do? We will draw one place value chart. Now we will put these numbers in place value chart. Now see here, the first number is 4,425. At ones place here 5 is there. At tens place here 2 is there. See the 100 place here 4 is there. And if we will see the thousands place, here 4 is there. These are the subject books. Okay. Now see how many, these are the story books. Now see how many subject books are there? There are 3,314 subject books are there. So at ones place we will put 4, tens place 1, hundreds place 3 is there, and again thousands place also 3 is there. Now we will add these two numbers, then we will get total number of books. Now do the addition. See the ones place number. At ones place 5 and 4 are there. 5 plus 4, see this 5, keep in your mind 5. After 5, count 4 fingers, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4, 9. Now see the tens place number. At tens place 2 is there and 1 is there. So 2 plus 1, 3. Now see the hundreds place, 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, do the addition, 4 plus 3. After 4, count 3 more finger, 5, 6, 7. And again at thousands place, 4 plus 3 is there, 4 plus 3, 7. So how many total books are there? In the library, there are 7,739 books. So we will write here answer. What will be the answer? So in the library, there are 7,739 books. Okay. So in this way we can solve the story sums. Now one more story sum is there. This example is, Amla's stamp album has, read the story sum. The second one is, Amla's stamp album has (1,234) stamps. Her sisters stamp album has 4,321 stamps. How many stamps do they have together? How many stamps do they have together? Now read Once again, see, Amla's stamp album has 1234 stamps and her sister's stamp album has 4321 stamps. Both are 4-digit numbers. And the question is, how many stamps do they have together? Now see this word together. If total, together, sum, if these words come, that time we have to do the addition. Now see, these are 4-digit numbers. So for first what we will do, we will write given. What they had given us? Alma's stamp album has, in short we will write Alma has 1234 stamps. Her sister has, yes, 4321 stamps. Now we will add these two numbers together. Okay, as these are 4-digit numbers, so first we will draw place value chart. Okay, and in the place value chart we will put these two numbers. Now see the first number. Alma has 1234 stamps. So see this number, at ones place 4 is there, so we will write here 4. Tens place 3 is there, hundreds place 2 is there, and thousands place 1 is there. Then see the second number. Her sister has 4321 stamps. So at ones place, in this number at ones place 1 is there, tens place 2 is there, see the hundreds place here 3 is there, and at thousands place 4 is there. Now we will do the addition. Okay, see the ones place digits. At ones place here 4 is there and here 1 is there. So do the addition. 4 plus 1, yes, 4 plus 1, 5. Now see the tens place. 3 plus 2. After 3 count 2 more fingers. 3 plus 2, 4, 5. Fine. Now see the hundreds place. At hundreds place 2 and 3 are there. 2 plus 3 again 5 and 1 plus 4 also 5. So total all together how many stamps they have together? They have 5555 stamps they have together. So finally we will write the answer in sentence. So all together they have 5555 stamps. So in this way we can solve the story sums. So students, at home you have to do the practice of story sums. So in this way today we have completed our exercise 2.1. In the next session we are going to see the 3-digit addition with 4-digit answer. So till that time, take care, bye bye. Thank you.